the constant of proportionality represented in each graph. That means find the ratio, okay, or rate of each graph. So you can do, this is 2, it's always the change in y over the change in x. So the y here is 2 over this 2. Or you can do 4 over 4, 6 over 6, all equals to 1. It's always the same. In this case, it's 2 over the 4. Notice I didn't use ones like, I don't know what this number is, okay? So I'm not going to use that. It's probably 1, but not sure. I'm going to use ones that I'm definitely sure. 2 over 4. Well, 2 over 4 is the 1, which is 1.5. So that's, this rate, the change in y is 4 over 2. 4 over 2. Or just 2. Right. Determine the constant rate for each proportional relation. Assume y will be the output and x represents all the input. Okay, well, you need to solve for the constant rate of proportionality. You would have to solve for y, divide by 10, divide by 10. So this is really stretching it. So you got y equals to 2 over 10x, or the constant rate of proportionality is 1 over 5. That's the ratio, is 1 over 5. That's for A. Please use another piece of paper. B, I should have told the class this. You got 3 over 5 y equals to 8x multiplied by 5 over 3. You get by 5 over 3. That's a 3. Cross cancel. You got y equals to 40 over 3. So this one for B, the constant rate of proportionality is, the ratio is 40 over 3. So if I'm writing off this paper, it's on another paper, okay? There's not enough room. C, please use a separate sheet of paper. For number 2, to C, y over 10 equals to 10x. Yeah, so you solve for y times 10 times 10. Y equals to 1x. I hope people are watching this. Okay, and then D, you have y by itself already, so the constant rate of proportionality is 1/2, where C, the answer is 1. The ratio is 1. Melanie collects, let's see, here's the answer. It's 100. See, why would it be 100? Oh, 10 times 10 is 100. I don't know, I was dividing. So constant rate of proportionality is 100 here. Okay. So, Melanie connect coins. She recognized her collections, coins from Europe and coins from another part of the world. After sorting coins, she comes to the conclusion that 6 out of every 10 coins in her collection is Europe. So basically 3 out of 5. Write a ratio to the total, 3 out of 5. And the write a ratio total coins to the non-European coins. Write a ratio for the number of European coins to the total number of coins. The number of non-European coins to the total, which is 2 out of 5. And the number of European coins to the number of non-European coins. 3 over 2 for that one. Determine the number of non-European coins. Okay, we can find the non-European coins, right? So do the math, and your answer should be 3B. European and non-European coins. So you'd put 3 over 5 equals to x over 230 for the European coin, and then the non-European is 2 over 5 equals to x over 230, and you solve it, and you should get that answer. On a separate sheet of paper, there's not enough room to do the work here. Write an equation to determine the number of European coins. Y equals 2 over 5, 3 over 5x. Graph, part D. Okay. Well, have a graph, and then you do numbers. Okay, if you have a graph, if you don't, you can do this too. This is your Y. That's the European coin, right? EURPEAN. European. Here's the total coins. It's 3 out of 5. So 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 5, 6. 6 out of 10, right? And 0, 0. That's how you do that one. How do you graph both? 3 competing toy companies reviewed the inventory. Full-time toys create a graph to represent a relationship between the total number of toys sold and the number of stuffed animals sold. Toy soldiers write an equation, and the toy box create a table to represent the same information. Fluffy, stuffy, stuffed animal want to sell their stuffed animal at a local store. In which store should they sell their product if they hope to make the most money? Explain why. Okay. Which store sells more toys? Which one sold the number of, stuffed animal ratios of stuffed animals to toys? So this one is 30 stuffed animals to the number of toys sold, 50. 3 out of 5. 30%. Number of stuffed animal, total sold. So I'm going to put number of stuffed animal first, because here we put number of stuffed animal first. So you would do x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Change in y, 8 minus 0 over 12 minus 0. So it's 8 over 12, which is, divide by 4, 2 over 3, 66%. This is 60%. So I would sell at Toy Soldiers. Because 66% is stuffed animal here, only 60% is stuffed animal there. Toy Soldier has greater percent of toys sold, stuffed animals sold. Okay. And then here you don't have to do 5, and then the rest is the review part, right? You should know how to do these ones. This one corresponds to the 24, so 8 over 24 equals, we're trying to find that, x over 36. Multiply and divide. And number 8 is, state the corresponding sides and angle. Okay. We're not trying to find anything. Corresponding sides, okay. Angle A corresponds to B and C. Angle C, angle A not congruent to. Angle A corresponds to angle C. Angle A corresponds to angle Z, right? Or X. Oh, which one is it right here? Right here. Angle X. Here's the answer down there. Which one's corresponded to? Okay. Angle B corresponds to angle Y. Etc., etc. Okay? Let's do the next one here. This, we did one of these in the classroom, so we did one of these too. Okay, letter B, we did this one in the past homework. So do it again, see if you remember. If not, use your other homework. Oh, here's the answer anyways, right there. Hope I don't want to show. Now, B, stretch it out and label it. That's 138. Make 100 right here by doing 42 degrees. Okay. And then right here would be 42 degrees, alternate interior, 138 on the other side, 42 degrees. Add these two together to get 84. We can find this degree here because it's 180 altogether. Subtract that by 180, we get 96 degrees. So this is 96 degrees. This is 84 degrees. X is 84. That's B. Check and make. Yep, that's what they got. That's what they did. Okay, A. Describe a translation. That looks like a, that's a translation moving over 5/5. Okay, translation of 5 over 5 units to the right. Reflection AB over. So yep, reflect flipping over. Reflection over the y-axis. Line segment AB is going over the y-axis. Okay, and that's it. Hopefully that helps. It's reflecting over.